In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tag colors on Asana, a quick and easy process that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing a complex project or simply looking to aesthetically enhance your workflow, customizing tag colors can be a great way to get things done efficiently. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website, which can be found at www.asana.com. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the login option. Click on it to access your dashboard. If you don't yet have an account, don't worry. Options like Get Started or Try for Free will guide you through the registration process efficiently, allowing you to quickly set up an account and get started with your project management. Once you've logged in and reached your dashboard, locate the project that contains the task with the tag you wish to change. This is crucial since you need to be within the right project to access the tags accurately. After opening the designated project, take a moment to find the task where the tag is applied. Tags in Asana are typically shown directly under the task name or within the task detail section. Keep an eye out for these to ensure you're interacting with the correct task. Upon locating the tag, click on the tag name to open its detailed view. This action will lead you to a new screen displaying all tasks associated with that particular tag, giving you a broader context of where and how the tag is being used. Once you're comfortably in the tag view, direct your cursor to the tag name at the top and simply hover over it. This act of hovering will reveal a small color circle, or sometimes the 3 dots, which is often referred to as the options menu, appearing alongside the tag name. Click on this feature to explore further options. From the upcoming menu, you'll want to select Change Color. This option will present you with a palette of colors from which you can choose your desired hue. Once you've selected the color that suits your needs and preferences, your tag will globally update to display this new color across all associated tasks. This synchronized color change makes it easier to spot and categorize tasks visually, enhancing both the functionality and the appearance of your Asana dashboard. And there you have it. In only a few swift steps, you've not just learned how to change tag colors, but you've brought a more personalized touch to your workflow. As you continue to explore Asana, remember that these small adjustments can improve team collaboration and personal productivity significantly. Thanks for sticking around, and happy organizing.